you're going to upload a HTML file to WordPress, the first thing you're going to need is a HTML editor. My suggestion, if you want to get one, go to Composer. That's compozer.net. See it again here. And if you just go to that link there, their home page, you'll get a link here that you can download Composer for Windows, English version, and then you can also get other versions if you might prefer. But at any rate, it's free, open source. The download is hosted through SourceForge, which actually makes it about as reputable a download source as possible. They do take great pains to keep their downloads clean. But this is a great place to start when you want to work with HTML pages. If you need a HTML editor, it is what's referred to as a WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get editor, and you're able to preview exactly what you're going to get right in the menu. Okay, if you're going to work with HTML files, first you need to open them up in your HTML editor. I am using Composer here, as I showed you earlier. The first task we're going to want to take care of is to link the image folder to, rather than images, as you see here displayed, we want to go with the link to the image folder in our WordPress site. So what we're going to do at this point is go on over to WordPress and upload those files. Okay, in our WordPress site here, we're going to go ahead and upload our media here. So we're going to go to the Add New link. And that gives you two options. You can either select the files one by one with your through files in your computer, or you can simply use my favorite method, which is to simply drag and drop all the images at once into the editor here, which it will allow you to do. So all you have to do is have the image folder open and simply start by right-clicking with your mouse and then hold down and go upwards until all of those are selected, and then you can release that. Then at that point, in order to drag and drop them, you just click and hold down, and it'll move all of those at once on over to be downloaded onto your WordPress site. Okay, once those are finished, we'll just edit button here on one of them, and then we'll go over here and select this link to the image on our WordPress site, and we're going to select everything except for the backslash and the image name. And we're going to go ahead and right click and select copy, and then back to our HTML editor. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and link our images. So we're going to go from the normal to what's referred to as the source, HTML source, and make sure that your cursor is up here at the very beginning of the document when you go to do this. Otherwise you can, say for instance, if